Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
Tatak RMN.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Tayo na sa EO. Tayo'y magpatingin. Tayo na sa EO. Sila'y eksperto at magagaling. Tayo na sa EO. Inyong mata ang mahalin. EO Executive Optical. Ang practical. EO Executive Optical. Ito'y practical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. This news is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Yan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Charm Sabon, bakit makatulong sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Sabon, bakit makatulong sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa loob. Makatulong sa tiyan.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Mommy, may aircon na tayo sa CR?
Safeguard Arctic Fresh lang yan, nak. May cooling bango. At patay ang 99.9% of germs sa tested bacteria. Yung ibang sabon, hanggang lamig lang. Ito, may germ protection.
Oh, Mommy, wag na tayo bibili ng iba, ha? Dito lang tayo sa Safeguard Arctic Fresh. Shoo, 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 shoo away germs. Safeguard Arctic Fresh. Germs off, aircon cool on.
Results may vary.
Switch to Safeguard Extra Strong Cool. This newscast is brought to you by Solmux Advance. Magaling maglinis ng lungs, mabilis magpagaling ng ubo.
May tanong si Seaman Rodel. Pare, may insurance plan bang nagbibigay protection sa akin at nag-iipon para sa pag-aaral ng anak ko?
Oo naman.
Sa Sun Life Grepa, gets ka namin, sagot ka namin. Client can avail of Sun Life Grepa policies while in the Philippines.
Sun Life Grepa, gets ka namin, sagot ka namin.
Easy lang. Enjoy lang sa lakbay. Di mo mamamalayan, ang layo na ng narating mo. Parang Tanduay, 170 years ng matibay. Tuloy-tuloy lang, makakarating ka rin. Taas baso ng Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Pasiyahin ang selebrasyon. Ilabas ang Tanduay. Drink responsibly.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Kay Ponatics Herlin Budol po. Dati, nagtatakip ng kilikili. Pero bago sumali ng beauty contest, nag-Silka Whitening Deodorant ako. Ayun, nakapag-wave na. Ito ay may kinis puti extracts with papaya enzyme at niacinamide. Kita ang puti in as early as 7 days with regular use. Silka Whitening Deodorant. Kilikili puting walang budol.
With regular use, results may vary. Sa presyong di budol, mag-Silka Whitening Deodorant. 49 pesos SRP lang for 40 ml. Go na! Bili na!
Barbie Forteza po. And I believe ang taong sa pera ay wais, ang skin pwede pa rin kuminis. And I thank you, Silka Papaya Lotion. Dahil 750 pesos SRP lang, giving na ang papaya enzymes niya. Affordable skincare, di ba? Kaya kung bet mo ay kutis na lit, sa Silka Papaya Lotion kumapit. With regular use, slay it with the skin na giving. Stay lit with Silka. With regular use for only 750 pesos SRP.
Stay lit with the #1 whitening lotion based on retail market with regular use. Silka Papaya Lotion, 750 pesos SRP lang per sachet.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Tatak RMN.
Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.